Hello everybody, welcome to another AGS Solutions episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve derivatives by using the power rule. Let's start by writing down the power rule. d over dx is to n minus 1. Alright, so when using the power rule, all you need to do is take the exponent, which in this case, this is our exponent, then multiply it by the coefficient, which is this, the coefficient is always going to be in front of the variable. The variable in this case is x variable. Oh my gosh, let me rewrite it. There you go. So like I said, all you need to do is take the exponent, then multiply it by the coefficient, which is the number in front of variable, in this case x, and decrease the exponent by 1. Let's do an example now here. So f of x is equals to 3x cubed. So f of x prime is equals to, so just like the power rule says, we first multiply the exponent times the coefficient, which is 3, and then reduce the exponent by 1, which is 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So therefore, x, which is our variable, raised to the 2, which is our exponent, because 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Then after that, we simplify things. 3 times 3 is 9x squared. And this is our answer. So let's do another example. 2. F of x is equals to, let's do this, 14x squared plus 6x cubed plus 3. So f of x prime is equals to, so like we did in our last example, first thing we have to do is we multiply the exponent times the coefficient, and then reduce the exponent by 1, which is equals to 1. So our variable is x raised to the 1. If you want to put the number 1 on top of the variable, it's okay. If you do not want to do it, it's okay as well. There's some people that they like to put the number 1 on top of the variable just to follow an order, or just to not get confused. But it's up to you. You want to do it, you can do it, and if you do not want to do it, it's okay. So let's keep going with the next one. We're gonna simplify everything at the end. So plus the same thing in here, we multiply the exponent times the coefficient times 6, then we're going to decrease the exponent by 1, which is equals to 2. So x squared. So then plus, in this case, the number 3 in here is considered to be a constant number. It can be any number, but in this case, constant number is going to be equals to 0. So every time you see a number by itself, and if you're gonna get the first derivative, the second derivative, the third derivative. And if you see a number by itself, it's always going to be equals to 0. So in this case, 3 is equals to 0. If you want to add it, you can do it, and if you don't want to put it the number 0, it's okay. It's up to you. So let's simplify this. 14 times 2 is equals to 28x. Like I said, if you want to put the number 1 on top of the variable, just to know that you have a 1 on top, it's okay. But in this case, I'm gonna leave it just x by itself. I know that I know in my mind that I have a number 1 on top of the variable. So plus 6 times 3 is equals to 18x squared. If you want to put the 0 at the end, it's okay. You don't want to, it's okay too. And this is our answer. Okay, so let's do one more example. F of x equals to, let's do this, 100x squared plus 3x raised to the 6 plus 5. So f of x prime is equals to, we first multiply the exponent times the coefficient, then we decrease the exponent by 1, which is equals to 1. So x raised to the 1 plus, same thing, 6 times 3 x, then 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. So it means that x is raised to the 5th plus a 0. Remember, this is equals to a constant number, any number. So let's simplify things in here. F of x is equals to, f of x prime is equals to 100 times 2 is equals to 200x plus 6 times 3 equals to 18x raised to the 5th plus 0 value. In this case, I'm not going to add the 0 at the end. So this is our answer. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you find it helpful. See you